Welcome to my channel, Grow Fast with Learning Bites. Today I am going to discuss about career development. Everyone aware of career development, but today I am going to discuss interesting topic about career development. So this is my career development page. After 10th, most of us are dependent on friends, cousins, neighbors for what to choose in intermediate. So don't be dependent on anybody. It's all about your interest. So today I am here to discuss about some interesting topics about choosing career path in their lives. So I'm just giving some example to create interest on what they choose. I have prepared some useful career path in Excel. It's all about the career growth after 5 years and where we stand after 5 years. Let's see. So, if you are interested in coding language and you have a good logical thinking, learning ability, so you are interested in your MPC and completing BTech, you find these kind of jobs like admin, developer, tester, and IT auditor. If you are good learner in coding language, you need to do a developer job where you will get 12 lakhs and above salaries, and same as for tester, it's also automated nowadays. So in testing also they are using coding language, so C, Java, um, Python, this kind of coding language. So here also you will get to 12 lakhs and above after completing 5 years of experience. Without any coding language, you can do admin jobs also. You need to get trained at least 2 to 3 months. So after trained, you if you joined in admin jobs, you will get 3 to 4 lakhs. After completing 3 to 4 lakhs, you will get at least 6 lakhs and above salaries. Uh, for any coding language, you need to learn focus at least 3 to 4 months to learn the coding language to get trained and get good job in developer and tester. And also IT audit. This is also need to be trained at least 3 to 4 months to get trained on IT audit. And here also after completing 3 to 4 years, you will get 10 lakhs and above salaries. This is if you choose MPC in intermediate and choose BTech after BTech, these kind of jobs and these kind of salaries they have been given these domains. If you are coming to BCom, if you are interested in calculations, after completing your BCom, if you are done your masters in B schools, you will get jobs like business analyst and financial analyst. Here you get 5 lakhs and above salary as a fresher. If you are done BCom and MBA and you want to get good salaries like software, so you need to learn SAP as a FICO and SDMM. These modules will help to get trained. At least you need to train for 3 to 4 months in SAP domain. So after 3 to 4 years, you will get at least 8 lakhs and above salaries in SAP. Investment and coming to investment banking, after BCom and MBA, you need to more work on ratios and analysis about investment banking investments. So here you get at least after completing 3 to 4 years of experience, you will get 7 lakhs and above. Mortgage is also same as investment banking. You will also get 7 lakhs and 8 lakhs above after completing 4 to 5 years of experience in mortgage jobs. So another one is the data entry jobs. After completing BCom also you can get jobs in AP, GLR. These are data entry kind of data entry jobs. So in AP, you need to be work on invoice processing and payments, and AR invoice collections and get money from clients, and GL reconciliation between AP and AR. Mm, so these are all data entry kind of jobs. So here you'll just get, after completing of 5 years or 6 years of experience, you'll just be below in 5 lakhs only for these domains. For GL, they only prefer CAs most of times. So sometimes you are experienced guy candidate, they'll also consider your profile in GL. These data entry jobs, AP and GL are, if you work in any captive company, you'll get good salaries and hikes in every year. If you are not working in non-captive companies and service-based companies, you will not get much hikes and much salaries. You will be same like previous year. Uh, so if you are for any domain, if you are first 2 years you have stayed in company, and if you moved on after 2 years, you move to another company, you will get hikes. If you are changing after every year, you will get good hikes, at least 25 to 30% for any domain. If you are staying for the any domain for 5 years, you will get only internally, you will get hike like 5%. If you calculate 5 years, 5% is 25%. If you are moving after 1 year, you will get at least 25%. Better to move to another company after 1 year every year, so you will be in good financial position. Apart from these are all about good salaries in BCom and BTech. I'll most preferably choose these jobs to settle in good career path, to good hikes, good improvement in your salaries. Apart from these all, you can also do hotel management and photography professional course, and please Google it and search for college, and you will also get good salaries in these kind of professional courses. Apart from these all, you can also learn art and music and sports. So these all will also help in your future to get good money in these courses. And also these all will help you in coming future. And I hope you know something from this today's session. And please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for get more videos like this. And thank you for watching. Sign off for the day. And please subscribe guys.